we're going to look at how to find area when we're given the diameter. Our formula to find area is A equals pi r squared. In this case, we don't know any of this information. We don't know the area and we don't know the r. But I can find r. I know that the diameter is 5. That means that the r is 2.5. We can plug this into our equation. A equals pi times 2.5, that's my r, squared. 2.5 squared is 6.25. So our area is 6.25 pi. And we could multiply that out. To find the circumference, we use the equation C equals pi d. Cherry pies are delicious. In this case, I don't know what the d is, but I do know the radius. Diameter is 2 times the radius. So C equals pi times 16, which equals 50.26. What if I know the area, but I want to know the diameter? Well, we know that our formula for area is A equals pi r squared. And in this case, the area is 40. 40 equals pi r squared. I can now solve for this r. I divide by pi because that cancels my pi's. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. So 40 divided by pi. 40 divided by pi is 12.73 equals r squared. Very important. To get rid of the squared, we need to do the square root to both sides. This is not division. This is the square root. The square root of r squared is just r. See how the 2 went away? The square root of 12.73 is 3.57. And that's how we find the radius. But our question asks for the diameter. So we just multiply the radius by 2 and get 7.14 is our diameter. Here's our last example. If the circumference is 31, then what's the diameter? We know that the formula for circumference is C equals pi d. In this case, the circumference is 31, so 31 equals pi d. I want to find this d. That means I need to get it by itself. We divide by pi, divide by pi. That leaves us with d equals 9.87. That's our diameter. To find the radius, we just divide by 2, and we find that the radius equals 4.94. And that's the answer. I will see you all tomorrow.